Guruji, how does astrology works?
This question had been asked numerous of the times. Since the time people started predicting, those were the psychic predictions. And some people used to call them witches or magicians, and they used to give the predictions to the king or of the coming calamities. How they were based? They were based on natural phenomena, that how the clouds are working, from where the air is flowing, temperature of the water, things like those, even the behavior of the animals. On those bases, it was felt that energies around us give us a certain perspective. And what are energies? Energies are basically what everything around us is. You all must have heard about Big Bang theory of Einstein. There was nothing, total vacuum, and the first blast occurred and the first particles appeared. This was mentioned in Shiva Puran, Vishnu Puran, and a lot of our scriptures about the same blast, which Einstein gave a theory later on. Moreover, when we say everything appeared from the energy, that means everything is made from energy, including us. So on earth, everything is made from energy. That's the first rule. Second thing, you have to understand another element of it, that earth never loses weight, never increases in weight, and everything only changes the form. Seed becomes tree, tree becomes wood, wood becomes furniture, furniture becomes carbon, carbon becomes diamond, and it keeps on changing. And if we take this as a second rule, that everything is just changing the form, then we have to understand what all else comes into it. Another thing, physics says that no energies have got same or identical path. That means no two energies will have the same path. If lightning will strike, it will have a different path altogether every time. Same way, in our body, we have around 50 trillion living cells, which we lose, and every cell dies when we die. Each and every cell falls apart. Not even one cell stays alive. So that means when one energy, which is keeping all these 50 trillion live cells binded, gets extinct, immediately all these cells fall apart. Nothing remains alive. And what is that energy? That energy we have named soul. So that's the third rule, that every soul, as per physics, which is energy, will have a distinct path. That means no two souls, not even twins, will have the same path. That's the rule number 3. So when we talk about rule number 3 and combine 1, 2 and 3 together, the study of path of that energy, which is getting affected by a lot of other energies around us, is astrology. So it's just the study of energies based on mathematical calculations, pure mathematical calculations, is astrology. I think this is the clear answer in the best scientific way which your generation can understand better. I can do. Thank you.